Mother-in-law trouble. Nita was feeling happy. She had just gotten married. She moved in with her husband and his family. They all lived together in one house. This was normal in many cultures. At first, Nita was excited. She wanted to make strong bonds with her new family. She hoped to build good relationships with her in-laws. But as time passed, things became hard. Nita noticed problems with her mother-in-law. Nita's mother-in-law had old-fashioned views, while Nita wanted a modern life. They disagreed on many things. Their differences became a problem. Nita felt frustrated and sad. She wanted to live happily, but this was hard. The situation worsened. Every day there were new arguments. Their different opinions caused more fighting. Nita felt stuck and worried. She felt like her mother-in-law did not understand her. Nita also noticed that her mother-in-law did not change. They both refused to compromise. This caused more problems at home. As time went on, Nita's feelings became stronger. She felt angry with her mother-in-law. She started to think bad thoughts about her. One day, after another big fight, Nita felt very upset. Her husband sided with his mother during the argument. This made Nita feel alone. She decided to leave and go to her father's house for help. Nita's father was surprised when she arrived. He noticed she looked troubled. She told him all about the fighting with her mother-in-law. Nita felt desperate and asked her dad for something dangerous. She asked him to give her poison to kill her mother-in-law. Nita thought that would end her problems. She said she would not come back home until her dad helped her. Her father was very worried when he heard this. He loved Nita and wanted to help her. But he knew that hurting her mother-in-law was not the answer. He said, "Nita, if you do this, we will get in trouble. We could go to jail. This is not the right way to handle your problems." Nita was very upset. She did not want to listen. She insisted on doing something drastic. Her father saw that she was angry and believed she could not change her mind. He decided to help her, but wanted to do it in a different way. Then he handed her a small packet. He explained to her, "This powder is not poison. Take a tiny bit of it each day and add it to your mother-in-law's food. It will not hurt her right away. She will just get sick slowly over time. No one will suspect a thing. They will think she passed away naturally." He continued, "But you must be kind to her. Starting now, treat her well. Do not argue with her or show any anger. Be polite and caring at all times." Nita was confused but agreed to try it. She believed that after some time she would be free of her mother-in-law's criticism. When she returned to her in-laws' house, Nita began her plan. Every meal, she added a little of the powder to her mother-in-law's food. At the same time, she made an effort to be nice and respectful. to her surprise, her mother-in-law started responding. Nita's kind behavior softened her mother-in-law's heart. Over the weeks, their relationship changed for the better. Instead of fighting, they began to enjoy each other's company. They started talking more and sharing things. They laughed together and even told stories. The atmosphere in the house became peaceful. Other family members noticed the positive change. People in their neighborhood saw the change too. Nita and her mother-in-law both spoke highly of each other. They shared how much they enjoyed spending time together. This made Nita feel joyful. She started thinking about how nice it was to have a good relationship with her mother-in-law. Months went by, and Nita realized something important. She began to love her mother-in-law. They shared a strong bond that felt like family, but then she started to remember the packet. What if her mother-in-law was in danger? Panic set in as she thought about the powder her father had given her. Desperate, she went back to her father's house. When he saw her, he knew something was wrong. "Dad, please help me," she cried. "I need something to stop the powder. I don't want to lose my mother-in-law. She is like a mother to me. I love her." Nita's father watched his daughter closely. He smiled gently and said, "Nita, there is no need for worry. I never gave you poison. The powder I gave you was a sweetener. It was not the powder that changed your relationship. It was your actions and kindness that made the difference." Moral: people are different. This is because of their own situations. These differences can often lead to many problems. However, we must try to understand each other. We must also try to adjust a little. This helps us have healthy relationships with others. When differences come up between people, their loved ones should help. They should keep the people calm. They should also guide them to the right path. The differences between people are normal. If we try to understand and adjust, we can have good relationships. When problems happen, loved ones should help everyone stay calm and find the right solution.
The end. Hope you have enjoyed the reading. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and find more fascinating and exciting stories from the description below the video.